Tonight, I'm sleeping inside a glass box. This is Les Cols Pavellons, located just outside the countryside town of Olot in Spain. Oh my God. Everything's made out of glass. Ooh, whoa. The hotel consists of just 5 100% transparent glass cubes, which are supposed to be where guests sleep.
Just all the bugs. It smells funny. It smells like a porta-john.
Needless to say, it's not a standard hotel stay. The rooms are designed to completely isolate guests and strip away every single distraction. There's no chairs, no tables, no walls, and a bed on the floor. But the rocks on the bottom of the bathtub, it really does feel like I'm bathing like in a lake right now. We're going to explore inside the hotel and see how its rooms with zero privacy actually work. Then we'll see if a night sleeping on the floor is worth all the money I paid for it.
I think it was worth it to me because this is an experience that I've never seen anywhere else in the world. And I like the sky view. So this is supposed to be an off-grid hotel, but I'm in the middle of a little city right now. And it doesn't seem like the nicest city. It actually seems quite dodge. I thought the rooms were supposed to back onto a forest, so I'm a bit confused. I'm in a parking lot right now. There's like an apartment block right here. Our rooms are supposed to be invisible walls. The apartment block's gonna see us. The restaurant, yeah, but it's huge, so I wonder if it's more than just a restaurant. I'm not sure where the reception is. Maybe it's in here. We've already found the restaurant, so let's try this. Oh my God. I think this is the reception, but there's nobody in here. It looks like a cave. Now this really is the world's most minimalistic hotel if this is the lobby. It does feel prehistoric. So they emailed me and told me that my room is the last aisle in the first room on the left and gave me the code. So you just check yourself in. Wow, it's beautiful. This might be it. It looks like there's a door. Don't know if that's our room right there. I'm a bit concerned because this is outside. I have the code, so let's try it. Jesus, this door is so heavy. Oh my God. Okay, so this must be the patio. Everything here is built on top of volcanic rock, which is naturally healing for you. Everything's made out of glass. I can actually see through the floor and like, look, there's plants under my feet. Oh, I think this is the bedroom. Ooh, there's actually a bed, which I'm very pleased. And air conditioning. So what I'm noticing is that there's no handles anywhere. And I'm kind of just in a glass box and I can still see directly through the floor. I don't know, I feel like this could make you go crazy if you were stuck in this box with only bed. Where is everything? Like, where's the TV? Where do I put my luggage? Where's the fridge? Bathroom? I had to push on one of the doors out there, so a fridge. Again, no handles. Whoa. And here's the pool. I guess this is where you shower off in here. And then these are volcanic stones as well. I did a little bit of research before I came. And then that second one is your pool where you can bathe in, hang out. There's a toilet here and it's totally camouflage. I didn't even notice it. And then you got a sink, which apparently starts working when you walk up to it. So this constantly flows fresh water from one side to the next, and the dirty water goes out here. Just all the bugs. It smells funny. It smells like a porta-john. No, it 100% smells like porta-john. I don't think I like that. I don't like that. It makes you feel like you're doing some really elevated camping outside, because when I go to take a pee, I can see a tree and then I can see the rocks on the floor. So when you take a shower, you're supposed to stand on the healing volcanic rock. Ooh, this water's warm over here. And here we have 2 robes and some shoes that they want you to wear going in and out of the tub. And then this is our patio furniture. You sit these outside and then you sit on the ground. You have a safe in here and an umbrella in case it rains. That's it. They provide you with the soaps that they want you to use because they're all natural, and you have to tell them when you're using the bath because they get the temperature of the water ready for you as well. The only piece of technology they leave in the room is a little phone, so you can call the receptionist if you need anything. Other than that, there's no reception in this glass box. So good luck entertaining yourselves. The temperature of this water is lukewarm. It's perfect bathing temperature. And then there's rocks on the bottom of this pool you don't really want to stand on, but kind of feels nice to sit on. And then there's a little edge here where it's kind of like an infinity pool where the water just flows over the edge. It kind of feels like you're outside, but you're on the inside, which is really cool. It's really relaxing, and all you can hear is the water. I don't want to go back into the bedroom. I like the bathroom more, and it's private back here. I know nobody can see me. That the rocks on the bottom of the bathtub, it really does feel like I'm bathing like in a lake right now because I'm just swishing the rocks around in between my toes. My likes and dislikes so far. Oh, I love there was no welcome because there was nobody in the reception area. I kind of like not dealing with people. I like to just get to my room. So they sent me the instructions on email and it was easy to find my room. I didn't like coming into my room and seeing that it was literally just a glass box, even though I knew that this was what I was getting myself into. I tested the bed out. The bed does feel like it'll be decent. It's king size bed also, which is big in Europe. The bed is a step up from the last 2 hotels because the last 2 hotels had queen mattresses. So I'll have plenty of room this evening. Another dislike, there's been so many mosquitoes in the room, so I have a feeling I'm gonna be bit up tomorrow. I don't like that. My plans for the evening, we're gonna go into town, get some tapas, and just relax, enjoy this pool, take a shower. We try to get a reservation at the Michelin restaurant, but it has been fully booked for a while now. So I'm hungry, so let's go eat some tapas. There's strip flooring everywhere, so you can see your exact route to your room. These are the citronella candles they have everywhere for the mosquitoes. This hotel room looks sick at night. Look at this ground. We can see it so well, and the ivy looks so beautiful with the volcanic rock. Now let's check out the room, how much cooler it looks. There's nowhere to store anything, so don't look over here. Look how dope this is at night time. And I like the sky view. I just woke up, guys, and I had the best sleep of my life. That mattress is incredible. So I just wanted to do a little recap of my stay and tell you guys what I thought was positive and what was not. Pros, the bed, as I mentioned, was incredible. The vibe at night, last night it changed everything for me. It was super relaxing atmosphere, and I just loved the vibe it gave. The bathtub and the shower, pros. I could stay in there all day. The fact that you're in nature, it makes you feel really like recharged and serene. The room definitely gives the illusion that you're in nature because there's trees, there's plants, you can hear the birds. Cons, I can hear the freeway. The area that this hotel is in isn't the best area, so you're kind of like in your own little sanctuary here, but outside of here, you kind of don't want to be hanging out. There's a major freeway here, there's industrial estates all around us. I could hear a police siren last night. So it's not as isolated as they make it out to be. It's not as isolated geographically, but the room itself is very isolating. I think it was worth it to me because this is an experience that I've never seen anywhere else in the world. And to be put back in this glass box and to detach from technology was really nice. So this room per night is about $500. If you like a reset, maybe a digital detox or a unique experience, this is 100% worth it. But if those things are not worth it to you and you like a little bit more to do, if you like more luxury experiences, I wouldn't stay at this hotel. Tonight, I'm driving out to Barcelona and I'm going to stay in a normal hotel because I haven't stayed in a normal hotel the last 4 days. I'm catching a flight out tomorrow.